Yep. So another late night in quick install. I need Etcher so I can write some USB sticks and SD cards and whatnot. So let's do that. Let's do that. Go here. Let's see. Download. What's it say? App image. I know like app image. However, I am looking for a Debian package. Oh, we're on the GitHubs. Okay, cool. All right. Let's see. I guess we're alright to do that. I almost want to see what that looks like. Keep it. Go in the folder. Mousepad, please. Color. Quality. Doesn't look like not too crazy. Let's do it. Ooh, just copy that in there. Paste it. Oh no! I don't want to fail that. Alright. Well, I guess we need to install something first. Come on, boiler. Alright. We gotta install curl. Yes, please. Okay. Run that again. Okay. We'll follow the rest of the instructions, which are right there. Right here. So anyway, get my face out of here. Sudo at git update. Realize the new repos. And then we do a sudo apt get install. I can type right. Balena Etcher Electron. I know what Electron is. May or may not have made an application or two with that. Electron.net to be 100%. Unpacking. Okay. Well, done. Let's see if it works. Let's see, what would that be in? Hey, there's VirtualBox finally. Accessories. There it is. Accessories. Load it up. Not sure if this is actually going to work or not, but doesn't seem like it. Interesting. Well, now, did say something strange here in this, but let's top it to see if anything's happening. Nope, don't look like it. Okay, so let's try it this way. Etcher's not found. Balena. Oh. Okay. There we go. What's it say here? That makes sense. It does. It does write to drives and stuff. Oh, I downloaded that. I did download that. Oh, duh. In root there, Dan. We go to Dan Man downloads. There we go. And that should be there. Open. Oh, select a target. Okay, I gotta put a USB stick in. I wasn't really 100% prepared for this, but okay. Well, we don't want to go to the system drive. However, I don't know what drive I just plugged in. So let's open a new tab and SDD, general USB stick. Okay. Oh, there it is. Finally, cancel. SDD. Anything on that? Maybe I should look. Oh, there's an operating system on that. Okay, yeah, that's not it. Okay, we're gonna unmount that one. We're gonna unmount that one. I don't know. I don't know. This one might do the same thing. Go ahead and open it. Oh, nope, this one looks empty. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Okay. Cancel. Cancel. How do I refresh? What do you mean? Let's try again. One file. This one, open, select target. Well, where's my target? SDD. Let's try again since I unmounted it. Probably messed me up. Yes, it did. There it is. SDD. Select. Flash. And it's flashing. Etcher Pro. Fancy. Is it a hardware device? Huh. Almost done. Validating. Finishing. Here we go. One successful flash. Huh. Nice. Good stuff. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody. You can't run Etcher without super user privileges. See you next time.